You join us today for another update on the Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing restoration. Last time we caught up, the car was halfway through its bare metal process. It's now fully stripped back and the early panel stages are underway. But today we're looking at the chassis, which as you can see has been fully sandblasted, ready for full assessment of any repairs required. Now, as previously mentioned in other videos on our channels, this car is in fabulous condition. There's not a huge number of repairs to be made, but it is mounted now to our rotisserie brackets and will soon be fully rotated so that any required repairs and prep can be completed. Now, whilst all this work's been going on with the chassis and the body, other components have been restored in the background, ready for build up on the chassis and other parts of the car. Very soon, the engine, gearbox and differential will be stripped. We'll do a full video on the refurbishment of those, ready for the full assembly of the car. Once the chassis is built up, the body in its bare metal state will be remounted to the chassis so we can gap it under its weight and load. Then the body prep and paint process will take place. Of course, we'll keep you up to date as the chassis, body, engine and gearbox and the rest of the car progress, and keep you in the loop with videos and social media posts.